To the Weather Watch and a look at the Chris Kindle Market on Daily Plaza, which opens, can you believe it, tomorrow.
Yeah, finally, we have some weather to fit the happenings.
Right, you can get those beautiful hats they sell, you know, the knit hats from Germany and all that, because you're going to need them. But I do have some signs of hope. Even though we are way below our normal high, which is 49 degrees, notice what's going to happen here. The second half of the weekend into next week, still only topping out at 42 by Wednesday, but at least we're moving into the 40s. That'll be pretty nice. Right now, I've been tracking the temperature. It's 28 degrees, feels like 18. So our high today, we stayed below average. It was only 30 degrees, and winds are still out of the west-southwest at 11 miles per hour. So winds are at 12 miles per hour in Morris, 14 mile per hour winds now out of the west for Gary, 13 mile per hour winds at Midway. So that's just enough to keep a chill in the air, making it feel like 17 in DeKalb, 19 in Aurora, and at Midway, 18 degrees for the feels like at O'Hare. Actual temperatures are in the mid-20s in DeKalb. That's a place where I think temperatures could fall into the teens by morning because of the clearing sky that I am expecting in the far west suburbs. But then closer to the lake here in northwest Indiana, Valparaiso, 32 degrees now. We're going to fall into the 20s and probably hold in the 20s for the morning start. So closer to the lake, we'll have lows in the 20s. Outlying areas, that's where we'll be in the teens. So the clouds, it's really dependent upon if the clouds clear out or not. Right now, we have mostly cloudy skies. Here's clearing, and this wants to move in, but we have a temperature inversion in place, meaning normally when we go up in the atmosphere, it gets colder, but there's a warm layer aloft. So that's acting like a lid on a pot and kind of keeping that cloud deck right over us for this early evening hour. Now, temperatures by 10 o'clock tonight will probably be in the mid-20s, and then through the overnight, some clearing taking shape, but then some spots may see a little bit of cloud cover on and off during the day on Friday, starting in the 20s, ending up in the 30s, and then we'll see clouds from the west starting to get a little closer to us. So the forecast tomorrow, sunshine at times, some cloud at times, but temperature, it really is going to be below average all over again. Normally we see 49 degrees. I think we're going to be at 39 degrees in places like Valparaiso and Rensselaer, about 38. So some spots about 10 degrees colder than where we should be here for your Friday, but at least some hints of sunshine will be pretty nice. Then let's talk about the weekend. On Saturday, I think we'll see more clouds than sun, mid-30s for us, so at least we're above freezing. And then on Sunday, we see this upper level feature with a surface front moving in, and that's going to give us a little rain and a little snow shower activity. So to time that out, this is Saturday morning. Clouds keep increasing, except a little hint of sun early afternoon, but it's quickly replaced by the next system starting to move in. So we're cloudy at 10 o'clock Saturday night. Then we see that feature moving in for us, bringing in early frozen precipitation at daybreak because of the colder air that will be in place. Then as the front gets closer, it changes to rain in the afternoon as those temperatures do rise enough to change it over to rain. I think on Sunday we'll top out in the upper 30s, clearing out as far as the precip goes, but holding that cloud deck early next week. So at least next week we're stringing together some 40-degree days. So it's a slow improvement.
All right.